From document uploads to time-off requests, automate approval processes to save time for everyone involved. Choose how you want to get started, from scratch, from a connector, or with a template. For approval processes, check out the category field with templates just for that purpose. Select a template to get started. Review the details. Then click Continue. Next, fill in the details according to your use case. For a SharePoint-based approval flow, start by selecting your site and list or library. Then add the name of the manager you want to assign approvals to. Finally, fill in the details for each step in the approval process. Don't forget required fields marked with an asterisk. In this example, the manager is notified of proposed events and approved items are added to a list of events in planning. Add new actions and steps as needed, saving as you go. To see your approval flow in action, perform the trigger, here adding a new item to the SharePoint list. Success! The assigned manager receives an email prompting them to approve or reject the item. Automate simple approval workflows so managers can spend less time on low-effort tasks and more time on high-value work.